This is a laser beam that can cut through metal in industrial applications and also precisely cut human tissue for medical purposes. The device emitting the laser beam is a fiber laser. The temperature controlled during the operation of the laser directly determines its quality and lifespan. Therefore, during the research and development phase, using a thermal imager to monitor the temperature of various components of the laser can enhance the efficiency of research and product quality. Fiber is an essential component connecting various modules of the laser. If issues such as aging or coating damage appear at the fiber fusion points, it can directly affect the quality of the laser output and even lead to laser damage or burning. Hence, in the manufacturing process of fiber lasers, an R&D thermal imager can be integrated into automated equipment to collect temperature data from the fiber. This allows for the automatic detection of high-temperature defects caused by optical discontinuity or coating damage at the fiber fusion points, ensuring not only testing efficiency, but also enhanced production quality. The pump source is the power source for fiber lasers, and the number of pump sources varies according to power. When the pump source operates, it generates a significant amount of heat, which can affect the wavelength of the LD chip's laser output. Therefore, before the pump assembly becomes a finished product, a thermal imager is used to test the temperature of the pump source's housing and the LD chip inside. It collects temperature information for all components inside the pump source in one go to identify defects and increase product yield. The beam combiner combines multiple pump lasers into one high-power laser beam for output. As a passive optical coupler, the beam combiner incurs significant optical power loss, especially for high-power beam combiners that require active cooling. Monitoring the housing temperature of the beam combiner using a thermal imager can help determine if the beam combiner is functioning correctly, thereby improving product quality. In addition, FOTRIC provides more thermal imaging solutions for fiber laser quality control and R&D. Contact us and book a trial